Welcome, traders. Today we're taking a deep dive into StealthTrade Commander ST V2.0. This is a complete trade execution and risk management panel for MetaTrader 5, designed to give you total control during both live trading and strategy backtesting. Let's see how it works. We start in tactical mode. Simply define your maximum risk, like 1% of your account. Press the L hotkey to show your visual trading lines. Notice how the panel automatically calculates your exact lot size in real time as you drag the stop-loss line. No more manual calculators. Just hit execute and your trade is live. Trading breakouts or pullbacks. Switch the order type to pending. Drag your entry line to your desired price level. The panel is smart enough to automatically determine if it should be a limit or a stop order based on the current market price. Set your risk, execute, and your pending setup is perfectly placed. Now for the most powerful feature, we are currently inside the MetaTrader 5 Strategy Tester visual mode. If you've ever tried backtesting, you know that dragging lines manually on a moving tester chart can be frustrating and glitchy. To solve this, I built a dedicated control block specifically for the strategy tester. You can now move your entry, stop loss, and take profit lines up or down by 1 or 10 pips using these precise buttons. It gives you surgical precision while backtesting your strategies. Once you're in a backtest trade, the Manage tab gives you full control. With a single click, you can move your stop to break even, close 50% of your position, or let the Smart Manager trail your stop using ATR or moving averages. Want to scale out of winning trades? Enable the TP levels feature. Instead of a single target, the panel draws TP1, TP2, and TP3 lines on your chart. You can define the exact percentage to close at each level. Watch what happens as the price hits the first target. The panel automatically closes the first portion of the trade and disables the TP1 line. Then it hits TP2. This makes backtesting complex, partial close strategies completely effortless. StealthTrade Commander handles the math and the execution, so you can focus entirely on your trading edge. It's available now on the MQL5 market. Thanks for watching and trade safely.